Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you all my last mile delivery business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll dive into the last mile delivery business plan template. I'll show you what's included in the template. You'll see the writing style, the quantity of information, the structure. And if you like it at the end of the video, I'll give you some information as to where you can buy it. And once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation I have for y'all. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the last mile delivery business plan template. So if and when you do purchase my last mile delivery business plan, it does come with the Word document, which is the actual business plan, and it also comes with an Excel file, which is the financial model. In this video, we're going to be covering what's included in the Word document. So once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to move the Word's business plan down. They're going to take away the last mile delivery and they're going to put their logo on the title page. The second page is going to be your table of contents. Once you add a little bit of meat to the bone to your last mile delivery a business plan template, you'll then want to come over to the table of contents, click on it, click on update the table, click on update the entire table, click on OK, and then all of your titles and all of your page numbers will update accordingly. And then the next page is going to be your executive summary. Anywhere where you see yellow highlights, that is where I recommend you go ahead and take a look at and make sure that information is aligned with your company. If the words are in parentheses, that means go ahead and put your information in there. In my executive summary, I do give you all a great starting point for the last mile delivery summary for your business, a target market, financial highlights, and a funding request section. For the company description section, again, I do give you all the last mile delivery company summary. And then from there, I give you a great starting point for services offered, which is package delivery. And again, you can update that as you see fit. From there, we go into the competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, your location, and then we end the segment with the business objectives and timeline. From here, I give you all some updated information for your industry analysis. For the industry, what I did research was the courier and local delivery service industry in the U.S. That is the closest industry I could come up with for the last mile delivery. And this information is retrieved from IBIS World, and IBIS World, in my opinion, is the industry leader in industry research. I have access to their information. I go in there, I read their report, I summarize the information, and provide it to y'all. This next section right here is just an extension of the industry research. And then we have your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats for your last mile delivery company. In order to make any changes to it, you'll just click on the Smart Art. You'll go to this little arrow right here, and then open it up, and now you have a text box with bullet points, and you can make all the changes that you see fit to your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The next section is going to be your organizational structures. First section right here is your ownership information. And then underneath that, we've got an organizational chart. Again, on the organizational chart, it is Smart Art. You just click on it, open up the box, and voila, you just go ahead and add your information there. Our next section is going to be the marketing. So for the marketing, typically last mile delivery companies, they're going to market in 3 different marketing channels, which is going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Feel free to add some other marketing channels or expand upon what I've given you to fill it out with your information. Our next section is going to be the funding request. For the funding request, I give you all a dollar amount. That's just a holding dollar amount. Make sure you put your dollar amount, how much funding you need to get your party started. And then explain the terms of the loan that you expect, whether it's going to be for 6 to 10 years or interest rates of 4 to 8%. Again, put your information in there. And then what we have here is going to be your financial projections. In your financial projections, I do include, like I said, a financial model. And the financial model is covered in a separate video. But let me go ahead and just give you a brief view of what the financial model looks like. So here is the financial model. And for the financial model, it has 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement. And then for each page, I do give you various segments that you can go ahead and update. For example, you're going to have a sales section you can update, a labor section, startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and your loan information. So anytime you make any changes to those areas, your financial projections will update. And all you have to do is just copy and paste your financial projections from the Excel sheet into your Word document. And I do include for the financial projections a profit and loss for 1 year, and it's broken down monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, and then we have 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we've got 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, I do provide y'all with an income statement, pro forma income statement, that is broken up yearly or annually for the next 5 years, showing your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and then we can call it a day. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.